Morning students. Today we solve one example problem, most important problem in 7 marks, page number 65, example number 1. Show that 4 common tangents can be drawn for the circles given by x square plus y square minus 14x plus 6y plus 33 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 30x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 and find the internal and external centers of similitude. This is the given problem. Here first of all we prove that, show that 4 common tangents can be drawn for the given circles. Given circles. How many tangents? 4 tangents can be drawn for the given circles. First of all, here we prove that C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. If C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, the number of common tangents drawn can the circles 4. The number of common tangents can be drawn for the given circles 4. Again, we find the internal and external centers of similitudes. First of all, here we find the centers and radii of the given circles. Given circles. Equation of the first circle is equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 14x plus 6y plus 33 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 14. G is equal to minus 14 by 2. G is equal to minus 7. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. Y coefficient 2f is equal to 6. F is equal to 6 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. F is equal to 3. Constant C is equal to 33. Find the center of the first circle minus g comma minus f minus g minus 7 minus into minus plus 7 comma minus f is equal to 3. Center 7 comma minus 3. Second one is radius R1. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R1 is equal to g square minus 7 whole square plus f square 3 square minus c. C is equal to 33 under root. R1 is equal to minus 7 whole square 49. 3 square 9 minus 33. R1 is equal to 49 plus 9 58 minus 33. 58 minus 33 25. Root 25 means 5. Therefore R1 is equal to 5. R1 is equal to 5. This is the center and the radius of the first circle. Again find the radius and the center of the second circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 30x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to 30. G is equal to 30 by 2. G is equal to 2 1 the 2 15 the. G is equal to 15. Y coefficient 2f is equal to minus 2. F is equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 1 the 2 1 the. F is equal to minus 1. C is equal to 1. Again find the here center and radius of the second circle. Second circle center C2 is equal to minus G comma minus F minus G minus 15 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. Center minus 15 comma 1. Next one, radius of the second circle. R2 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R2 is equal to g square 15 square plus f square minus 1 whole square minus c 1 under root. R2 is equal to 15 square 225 plus minus 1 whole square 1 minus 1 under root. R2 is equal to plus 1 minus 1 get cancel 225 under root. Under root 225 means 15. Square root of 225 is equal to 15. Therefore R2 is equal to 15. This is the radius of the second circle. Again, find the C1, C2. C1, C2. C1 is equal to 7 comma minus 3. C2 is equal to minus 15 comma 1. Here find the C1, C2. C1, C2 means the distance between the two centers of the given circles. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. Here find the C1 R1 and C2 R2. C1 7 comma minus 3. R1 5. C2 minus 15 comma 1. R2 15. R2 is equal to 15. Here find C1 C2. C1 C2 means the distance between the two centers of the given two circles. Let C1 x1 y1 C2 x2 y2. Here C1 C2 means the distance between the 2 points is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to x2 minus 15 minus x1 7 whole square y2 1 minus y1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus 15 minus 7 minus 22 whole square plus 1 plus 3 4 whole square under root. Here C1 C2 is equal to minus whole square plus 22 whole square 484 plus 4 square 16. C1 C2 is equal to 484 plus 16 500. C1 C2 is equal to root 500. Here check the condition. C1 C2 R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is equal to root 500. R1 is equal to 5. R2 is equal to 15. Root 500. 14 plus 20. 15 plus 5. 20. Squaring on both sides. 500. 20 whole square 400. 500 is always greater than 400. So here C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. If C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2, two circles do not touch or intersect. One circle complete away from the other circle. Here the number of common tangents can be drawn for the circles 4. Drawn for the circles 4. In this case, the given two circles, do not touch or intersect, and one circle completely away from the other circle. This is the relative position of the two circles. In this case, the number of common tangents 4. The number of common tangents 4. This is the first common tangent. This is the second common tangent. This is the third common tangent. This is the fourth common tangent. Therefore, the number of common tangents is 4. The number of common tangents is 4. This is the relative position and number of common tangents of the given circles. Again find the here internal and external centers of similitude. Internal and external center of similitude. Here C1 is equal to 7 comma minus 3. 7 comma minus 3. C2 is equal to minus 15 comma 1. Minus 15 comma 1. R1 is equal to 5. R2 is equal to 15. R2 is equal to 15. Here find the internal and external centers of similitudes. Internal and external center of similitudes. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. C1 is the center of the first circle. R1 is the radius of the first circle. C2 is the center and R2 is the radius of the second circle. This is the line joining C1, C2. One pair of common tangents intersect the line segment C1, C2 is called the transverse common tangents. Transverse common tangents. The point of intersection of the transverse common tangents is called the internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. Here P divides the line segment C1, C2 in with the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. R1 is to R2 internally. Let R1 is to R2 is equal to M is to N. R1 is equal to 5. R2 is equal to 15. 5 1s are 5 3s are. Therefore, M is to N is equal to 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. Number 1. Internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the internal center of similitude. P is equal to m is equal to 1, x2, let us C1, x1, y1, C2, x2, y2, x2 is equal to minus 15 plus n is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 7 by m plus n is equal to 1, n is equal to 3, comma m is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 1 plus n is equal to 3, y1 is equal to minus 3, all divided by m plus n equal to 1, n is equal to 3, p is equal to 1 into minus 15, minus 15 plus 3 7 the 21 by 1 plus 3 4, 1 1 the 1 plus into minus minus 3 3 the 9 by 1 plus 3 4, p is equal to 21 minus 15, 6 by 4, 1 minus 9 minus 8 by 4, p is equal to 2 table, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2, comma 4 1s are 4 2s are 3 by 2, comma minus 2. This is the internal center of similitude. Therefore, internal center of similitude P is equal to 3 by 2, comma minus 2. 3 by 2, comma minus 2. This is the internal center of similitude. Next one, external. External center of similitude. External center of similitude means the point of intersection of the direct common tangents. One pair of common tangents intersect the extend line segment C1 C2. Extend the line segment C1 C2 is called the direct common tangents. Direct common tangents. The point of intersection of the direct common tangents is called the external center of similitude. Here, Q divides the line segment C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Here, external center of similitude is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. External center of similitude is equal to m is equal to 1, x2 is equal to minus 15 minus n is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 7, all divided by m minus n, 1 minus 3, a comma m is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 1 minus n is equal to 3, y1 is equal to minus 3, all divided by m minus n, 1 minus 3, Q is equal to 1 into minus 15 minus 3 7 the 21 by 1 minus 3 minus 2 1 1 the 1 minus into minus plus 3 3 are 9 by 1 minus 3 minus 2. Q is equal to minus 15 minus 21 minus 36 by minus 2. 1 plus 9 10 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 1 the 2 18 the 2 1 the 2 5 the. Q is equal to 18 comma minus 5. Therefore, external center of similitude Q is equal to 18 comma minus 5. 18 comma minus 5. This is the external center of similitude. This is the internal center of similitude is 3 by 2 comma minus 2. External center of similitude is 18 comma minus 5. This is the process for finding the internal center and external center of similitude of the given circles. Of the given circle, most important problem.